How to send funds from Coinbase to Binance. First of all, what you need to do is open up Binance, copy your address, and then come back to Coinbase. Once you open Coinbase, you can see this type of interface. Go ahead and tap on transfer on the bottom right hand corner of the screen once. After transfer, you can see the option of send crypto, or you can see deposit cash. You can firstly click on send crypto. Once you do this, go ahead and enter the Binance code or Binance address which you had copied. After you do so, just go ahead and tap on the tick mark and tap on it. Once you do this, you can enter your details and send it. So once you send it, you can now have an OTP code arrive on your Gmail or your phone number as well. You can go ahead and verify it, and then you can now send funds from Coinbase to your Binance account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.